All right, looks like this 2014 Tesla Model S85 just got a new software update about 2-3 days ago. It's 2024.26.3.1. Nothing major in here. Just quickly going over, nothing changed in controls. Everything looks the same. If I go to pedals, everything looks the same. One thing I noticed is that even though it's in chill mode on the instrument cluster, it used to be like right above here when you're driving, it'll say chill, or maybe in the bottom. I can't remember that directly exactly where, but it doesn't say that anymore. So that's one thing I did notice. Nothing in charging. Everything looks pretty much the same. Autopilot, for me, everything looks the same. I haven't noticed anything. For vehicle settings, everything looks the same. This is actually the first time I'm going through every single tab, so mind me here. Let me just check. Yep, everything looks the same. Lights, everything looks the same. Display, everything looks the same. Okay. Trip, everything looks the same. As you can see, I have 159,683 miles on the car, and I like to set one of the trips to since last update so I can just track it. It's been a few days, but I've already put 218 miles on it, and I haven't really noticed any differences. Navigation is the same. Safety appears to be the same. I know in some of the newer cars they have like a parental controls. I don't have that here. And that's about it. I'm not gonna go to the software page just because it has a bunch of stuff on there. But yeah, looks like still getting updates. So far so good. I don't like to do these updates nowadays. Whenever I get an update, I kind of schedule it and try to keep it scheduled for a couple of days and just wait it out and read up on it before I install it on the car. There are a few people who installed it with older Model S's that are having issues. So just be mindful of Tesla software updates, especially for the older vehicles. I believe they're not really doing a lot of quality assurance or testing on them. So, you know, there are some issues that some folks have had. Someone had, after the update, the screens would, after rebooting after the update, the screens would not come on. The main screen here and the instrument cluster both did not come on. He had to take it to the service center, and then they try to charge him for some other stuff. All right, best of luck.